So could I tell us what you presenting today here in Barcelona?
I think every year in the Mobile Congress is the good place we can show the innovation for the world. And for this year, I think the most key word for Huawei is 4G LTE. And if you go around the CL booth, you will see our LTE slogan, live without boundary. Because we believe in the next few years, LTE will bring the totally new experience for the consumer, and that's why we promote a lot of new product to the consumer.
So what about products?
Yeah, because for the LTE, they are already deployed in many countries, and we see big potential for the device. And then this year, we promote the several one to the world. The first one is the E5786. This is the world's first 300 megabps.
Really?
Yeah, it's the only one can support this, the fastest one.
Yes.
And with this one, people can enter the LTE world very easy. Any device you can connect with this, and then you enjoy the LTE speed.
How many devices you can connect?
It can support 10.
10.
10.
Mm-hmm.
And so you can connect all your device or your friend's device. So it's very easy. And the second one is Huawei Ascend G6. This Huawei Ascend G6 is with a very, good looking design, but also with a very, value for money cost.
Mm-hmm.
So with this, we have the survey that in the world, average LTE device price is €600, a dollar.
LTE?
LTE, 4G,
LTE,
yeah, 4G LTE average price, and this one is only half of this price, so this can
200 euros.
yeah €249.
Okay.
This is a street price, and with the operate package, it will be much easier for people to get this.
Mm-hmm.
And so for the people who like to have the high speed and want to share their life, this is the best choice.
Yes.
And another one is this one. This one is M1. First, this is a very premium design pad,
Mm-hmm.
and secondly, this is have strong improvement in the sound. So,
Okay, I see.
yeah, for the entertainment, it will be
Aerodynamics, yes.
yeah totally metal design.
Mm-hmm.
And the last thing is that it has the LTE. So
LTE.
we believe that in the future, people will not only enjoy the video gaming in the home, but also outside. So this one can be their choice. And also it's quite in the middle price, that much cost effective than iPad mini.
Okay. So when are you going to launch it commercially and where?
All these products will be launched worldwide. Like in Europe, it will be the second half, second quarter this year.
Second quarter of this year.
Yeah.
Okay.
And also in this mobile congress, we bring something quite innovative to the world. It's this one. It's X1.
It's your previous model, yeah?
Yeah,
What?
this is a very compact design
Mm-hmm.
formulate. So it has a 7-inch size and a full HD screen, and it can be easily held in your hand,
Okay.
and it also can have the phone call communication. And definitely this is also the LTE.
And this form factor useful for pocket.
Yeah,
You can just take it.
yeah, I can easily put in my pocket.
Yeah.
And also my trousers,
Mhm.
and also holding my hand. But still, sometimes people feel it's not easy to put such a big phone to have the phone call. We still have other innovation. Is this
I
one?
guess, yeah.
Yeah.
It's wearable devices.
This is Huawei's first wearable device,
Mhm.
and also this is the world's first talk band. If you look at other smart band, this have a lot of fitness function. We also have, but we are the only one to have the Bluetooth.
Oh, really?
Yeah, air call.
Okay.
Yeah, so if you have MegaFon call, that's much easier.
Mhm.
You don't need to hold your phone, and can easily answer the phone call.
Does it work only with your new models like this pad or smartphone?
Yeah, this is a MBB device. This is phone. This is a pad, and this is something crossover.
Okay.
Yeah.
So, very nice. But what about promoting your own brand globally? Because you have been have worked very many years with carriers
Yes.
without any own brand, like
Yes.
white label. How do you want to promote in which price segments?
Yes.
And how do you want to distribute your models?
I think Huawei is a new brand. Even we are quite a long time in the telecommunication. 3 years before, you never heard of the Huawei brand because we don't have the Huawei brand device.
Yes.
We are doing the ODM services. And the 3 years before we start the transformation from the non-brand to Huawei brand, from the ODM to OEM, from the low end to middle and the high end.
Okay.
And we make the big improvement in the past 3 years. And if you look at the IDC, Gartner, SA, and this kind of analyst, last year we are the number 3 smartphone. Yeah, number 1 is Samsung, number 2 is Apple, and number 3 is Huawei.
What percent of market?
Our percentage is 5.1.
5.1. Okay.
5.1 percentage. Yes.
Okay.
And it's really exciting for us to be number 3 in such fast time.
I guess.
Yeah,
Number
definitely,
3.
it's not an easy
Yeah.
thing. And the thing that why we can achieve this, I think,
Number 3 in smartphones or in general in devices, mobile devices.
in the smartphone.
Not
smartphone.
Okay.
And for us, I think we have our brand slogan is "Make it possible." That's the spirit of Huawei and Huawei consumer. We believe that people have a bigger and more wondering, and we can make it possible. And for us, we build 3 key image for our consumer. The number 1 is innovation.
Okay.
And the number 2 is accessible premium, and the number 3 is quality.
Quality.
This is a key reason why we can grow.
So, well, what about Russian market? For you, for your department, I mean devices and maybe Huawei globally.
Yeah, I think Russia is really a very important market for us, and in Russia we are growing our smartphone and tablet market fastly. We used to be very strong in this part and still keep, and we are now a main player in the tablet.
Okay.
If you look at the Russia tablet market, we are a big player. And in the smartphone, I think we are growing. And in the past several years, like the W1, like the Honor, like the P6, already get the great sale. And we believe that in Russia we will be a big player in the brand.
So, well, Mr. Shao, thank you for your answering. And my last question was about key market trends in mobile market, key technological and consumers.
I think the key trend you can see from this year Mobile Congress, because this year Mobile Congress is much exciting than the last year. A lot of vendors show their innovation here. The world is going to be more and more, how to say, uncertain.
Uncertain.
Yeah, because previously when we look at the phone, most phone looks like iPhone.
Yes.
Because iPhone defines the best model for the 3G. But when 4G comes with 10 times speed, 10 times package, and people are totally changing their user experience. So in the future, maybe this is not the best shape to have the communication. Yeah. So there in the next few years, I believe there are abundant innovation and new idea will come. It looks strange. For example, like this. This is something previous people think, how can phone be so big?
Okay.
Yeah. And also have some other example like Google Glass, like something else.
Wearable devices too.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. So I think in the future, the content will explode because of the speed. And with this much bigger content, we need even innovative design for user experience. And Huawei, we are very, how to say, innovation company. We think this is a big opportunity for us. And in the next few years, we hope that we can show more and more exciting for the consumer.